In this demo, I want to show you how you can format a file, an Excel file which has lost formatting. I mean, it's pretty simple, but many people find this challenging, as if we use special characters in cells and all that, the file sometimes loses its original formatting. So for example, if you can see, the sizes of the cells are all lopsided, and we are not able to read what is there in the Excel chart in one go. So the simplest way to get the original formatting back is to select all the cells by pressing Ctrl A, and then we go to Format, and in Format we select Format Cells. Under that we unclick Wrap Text and Merge Cells. Once we do that and say OK, then we get the formatting back. Okay, it's pretty clear. All right.